Away from the hustle bustle of the city, you can enjoy the small honeybees coming to suck nectar, and you can hear the choppings of the bird and walk barefooted on these greenish grasses and enjoy the dew. These water droplets aren't just water droplets, they reach your cells and make you feel the bloomness of flowers, make you afresh, make your emotions, make your thoughts afresh. Even the small flowers of grasses feel you like you came in heaven. And talking about these purple blooms that is bigger in size, make you feel like angel. You can also enjoy the flying dragonflies show and butterflies. It's a spring season and you can't miss them. You can also enjoy the flowing water, its sound, and the air blow. Different types of green trees, the new leaves on the trees, and the curdy clouds with pigeons, swifts, egrets, drongos, koels all around. You can also get blessed with your elders and their labor to get fit. The sound of squirrels, and you can look there that a boy is cleaning the park with a broom. There is a black drongo which is flying and coming to the ground to get insects to feed. You can also look above, and along with enjoying the sound of greater cockle, you can look at the fruits. You can also imagine the different shades of greenish, which मतलब आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि ये सारे ग्रीनिश जितने भी शेड्स हैं ये आपके क्लोथ्स में आ जाए, and just you look like a princess in the gown of the different shades of green. So these fresh leaves give freshness to mind and your heart. Everything in your surrounding is getting cleaner from the workers of municipal corporation. Okay, means talking about the public parks, talking about the public roads, talking about the public washrooms, and talking about the public areas. So all are getting cleaner by the municipal workers. They are set to work and clean all of it. But what is this? हाल ही में यहाँ पे एक NGO के कुछ वर्कर्स आए थे, and they have captured this area saying कि they are cleaning this area, but they have cleaned this area just one day. मतलब जिस दिन आए थे उन्होंने अपना वीडियो कैप्चर किया, उन्होंने केवल एक दिन क्लीन किया, and they have showed कि किस तरीके से इस पार्क्स में the peoples are making it dirty with the bottles of alcohol, cokes, and all types of wrappers of chips, and the dustbins are like kept like this, and all the garbages are flowing out of the garbage box. The plastic box here means bottles, and then after These canals are made dirty with falling leaves and the plastic wrappers. So my question is that instead of watching and enjoying this beautiful bloom in the spring, मेरा तो ध्यान ही चला जाता है इस गार्बेज की ओर. Instead of appreciating the spotted dove near me, this disappoints me that it is perching in these dustbins. And yes, I know I am not blaming the municipal workers, but look at here. What about this? Means ये जो chair है, it is made here to sit for the public, but the public are not at all aware of कि ये लोग पार्क आते हैं तो किस तरीके से they threw all the garbage here. Even if the dustbins are there, they will throw the plastic bottles just nearby it, not inside the dustbin. They will eat ice creams and they will throw the cups out of the dustbin. Even if there are number of dustbins provided, they will come in the park, enjoy and throw all the bags of garbage just out of the dustbin. So my question is that कि अवेयरनेस के नाम पे केवल म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन क्या क्या कर सकती है. वो आपके लिए पॉलिसीज़ बना सकती है, वो आपके लिए गवर्नमेंट चेंज कर सकती है, वो आपके लिए सिस्टम बदल सकती है, या फिर हो सकते है कि कोई एक जो लीडर है अवेयर कर रहा है किसी को, तो वो आपके लिए सिस्टम बदल सकता है. बट हाउ लॉन्ग चेंजिंग द सिस्टम विल वर्क? जब तक कि जब तक कि आप चेंज नहीं हो रहे हो, जब तक कि मैं नहीं बदल रही हूँ, जब तक कि हमारा माइंडसेट ही नहीं बदल रहा है कि हमें करना क्या है. मीन्स हाउ टू कीप आवर सिटी क्लीन.